Hello everyone, welcome to another video in our Microsoft Word Essential Training course. So in this lesson, I'm going to teach you some of the most fundamental aspects of working with Microsoft Word. One of is inserting text, another is replacing text, and also we're going to talk about some of the selection techniques that we can use when we are using Word. So first, let's see how we can insert text into a document. So as you can see, at the moment, I have a two paragraphs in my document right here. So what I need to do is actually make some changes to this. So I want to insert text into this. So in order to do that, now first I have to take my cursor, the arrow, and put it in a place that where I need to insert my text. So in my case, I want to insert text before this the T. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my cursor and take it and put it right before the letter T. And as you can see, once I click on that place, it start blinking. So if I were to type a text, that text will uh, type to the right of that blinking cursor. So right here I want to type over. As you can see, the text is typed to the left of the cursor, and to make space, the rest of the content, the right of the cursor will be pushed to the right. So I typed over before the word the, and over the ears. Now it's right. Now let's see where else I need to change. So I need to type in Microsoft here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click there and type Microsoft. And I need to type in year here. It's 1990s. And I need to type in Android here, because that is one of the operating systems. So as you can see, when you want to insert in text, you can click your mouse cursor uh, in a place that you wish to enter your text in, and then start typing once you have this blinking cursor. So that is for the inserting text into a document. Let's see how we can use selection techniques before moving to the replacing text, because what replacing text does is select a section where text out of the text that already exists in the document, then replacing them. So first let's learn about replacing by learning about selecting first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you a couple of ways that you can use. In a sense, some of them are shortcuts that you can use to select text. So first, the simple selection is how we do it is, let's say I want to select Microsoft Word. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my cursor and put it before the M, and from there, if I click and hold my left mouse button, I can go to the left, selecting the content to the left, or go to the right, selecting the content to the right. So this can be done in any place of the document. So uh, before I did it by clicking before the word Microsoft, before the M. This time I'm going to go to the uh, end of the word and click there, and I'm going to go to the left. So I can either select from the left, I can select from the right. So right now I need to replace this W in the word, because this supposed to be capital. So I'm going to select the W, letter W, and type in capital letter W. So as you can see, that replace the simple W. And also I need to select and replace this total word because the word is wrong, so it's grammatically wrong. So uh, one of the ways I can select it is the using the mouse cursor and holding it and selecting over the word. Or I can, if I want to select any word within the document, I can double click on the word like this, and it will select the word. So on the same note, if you want to select a paragraph, you can triple click over any word of that paragraph. So let's say I want to select this paragraph. Instead of selecting it by holding on to the left mouse button, I can triple click on any word in that paragraph, and by doing that I can select that whole paragraph. Or if there is another way to select the whole complete paragraph, that is to go in front of the paragraph in this empty space, triple click. You click the left mouse button 3 times in a row, and that will select the paragraph. So the thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select this grammatically incorrect word, and I'm going to type in word. Perfect. So that's how you can select, that's how you can insert, and that's how you can replace text in a document. And do try these methods out, and familiarize yourself with these because they will come in handy as you work with documents. So with that, I will see you in another video.